Hi, hello.
Hi, I'm sorry about the other day.
Yeah, it's okay. I really felt so sad for you because
Thank
you sit
you.
with your food.
I'm glad that you couldn't see what I looked like. I couldn't walk.
Wow.
Anyway, anyway, I'm very pleased to meet you. How do I pronounce your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Okay,
Yeah,
Ahmed.
that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. And you look familiar to me, but I
Yeah.
suppose it's because I've been watching some of your YouTube videos. So I already sort of know you, your
Yeah,
face.
you have an idea for about me and a little bit of background about me.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
So we don't have that much time. What would you like to talk about?
Yeah, I want to thank you because for accepting my invitation in the first stage, and I want to thank you again because when you messaged me and you told me that you are twisted your food, uh, I had to translate this word because I have heard about it, but I don't know the meaning. So now I know what twisted mean. Yeah.
Good, good. So that was part of your English learning process, right?
Yeah, I'm learning like every day. So every day I learn new words.
Stick with me, you'll learn a lot of words.
Yeah, maybe you don't feel because you already speak this language. But for me, everything is new. So I grasp every new word.
I understand. No, I do understand.
Yeah.
Good for you. Good for you. I'm just going
Thank
to
you.
drink some
Thank you.
water. Mm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please. So, you obviously you are in South Africa. You wrote in your profile that you live in Cape Town.
That's correct. That is
Uh-huh.
correct. Yes.
Yeah. So, is it Cape Town, the capital of South Africa?
Yes, we have
Hmm.
three capitals, which is very unusual. Yes, and don't ask why, because it's not worth spending time talking.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay,
Yes,
but
but it is one of the capitals. Yes.
at least this is a new info for me.
It's new for me too. When I started on Cambly,
Yeah.
I found out that we have three capitals. I didn't know that before.
Wow. Yeah, because
People
South
ask
Africa,
me,
it's a
yeah.
very large spot in South Africa.
No, but it's the best.
Hmm.
the the reason Cape Town is the capital or a capital is because it's the government parliament is based in Cape
Hmm.
Town. That's why.
So that's why the Cape Town is the capital.
Correct.
Do you know
Correct.
what I built in my imagination about South Africa? Like when I hear about South Africa, I thought that all people there have the black color, but it turns out here on Cambly, wow, South Africa, but they are white.
Or,
What?
or am I a mistake?
Yeah,
Did you really think that? That's
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Why? What gave you that impression in the world, in the news?
Yeah, from the news, I used to watch like news,
Mhm.
and every time I see South Africa, I see black people like
Mhm.
they are farmers or they are workers.
Mhm.
So this is what I thought about these people.
And the government, the president is black, the president
Hmm.
of our country. So, but you're so young, you're very young, so you won't know that many years ago it was white. Everything was white, and black people were very suppressed. So,
Hmm.
so now it's it's turned around for the better. So yeah, that's where we're at. It's interesting because you're not the first person who thinks. That's why I'm asking you that question, because I know you'll be able to answer it. Yeah. So it is actually the news.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So tell me about a little bit about Cape Town or South Africa in general. What is the border city around South Africa?
The what city?
The border countries.
Oh no! Somebody asked me this the other day, and I couldn't tell them. And I must look it up and Google, and I didn't. Now you've got me.
See, this is what we learn from Cambly.
All about my own country.
Yeah, you remind me when my tutor asked me about the population on my country. I said, "What? I don't know. I have no idea about this info before, but I will Google it later."
I know one border country, and that's Zimbabwe. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
Okay, and that is a very tragic country, very sad situation. And I think Angola, but I might be wrong, is another border country. I might be wrong. Angola.
So you born and raised in South Africa?
Yes, raised until 16 years old in South Africa, and then I went overseas for a couple of years. So I've lived overseas quite a lot.
After what 16
Yes.
old your age?
Yeah.
You lived where?
I lived in Austria, in Vienna, in Europe.
Wow.
Vienna.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I couldn't speak the language.
A big move there.
It was a big move. I mean, I'd never left South Africa really before.
And you went back to South Africa?
No. Then after that, I went to school in Vienna, in Austria, and then I went to live in London for a year.
Yeah.
Came back to South Africa, and then I went and lived in New York, in Manhattan, for 3 years.
Yeah. Your life is full of many things, because you expose yourself in many different situations. You so many places there.
Correct. Yeah. Interesting life. Yes.
Yeah, interesting, because you every time you visit a country or a city, you will discover their cultures, their habits. So it's for me interesting.
Yes. Can I ask you some questions about yourself?
Yes, please.
Or are you bored?
Yes,
are you
please.
bored with answering the same questions? I'm sure.
Yeah, you just like my 145 call.
Please repeat that.
You are my 145 call on Cambly.
Okay, then I won't ask you the same question.
So stay away from traditional
Are you married?
questions.
How old are you? Okay. So let me think.
About more working.
Okay, let me ask you, what's your funniest experience on Cambly?
On Cambly.
What funniest or unusual? Something make you laugh, or is there none?
Yeah, sometimes I had a session with the Canadian tutor. She's an old woman, and she spoke about something, and I didn't understand her, but she loved at that time.
Yeah.
And I loved as well with her, and she told me, why did you laugh? So I told her, because you laugh, I laugh, like a compliment. But I totally I didn't understand you.
Good for you.
Yeah, sometimes I pretend that I know everything, but sometimes not the whole sentence, because the pronunciation it's different. Sometimes sometimes the native speakers use the uncommon words.
Exactly.
So that's why I am not understand the whole sentence.
So, okay, can I correct you? That's why I don't
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
That's why I don't understand. Not what you said.
I forget.
I think you said I'm not understanding. I think you said I'm not understanding. And so just for a lesson on Cambly, that's why I don't understand.
Yeah, I started my videos to correct myself on YouTube. I wrote on the subtitle, I was wrong. I should speak like this, has, not have.
Good.
Stuff like that. Yeah, correct myself, because I feel I'm responsible, because I post these videos, and my audience learn from me and from my tutor. So I think I'm responsible. So
Yes,
to reach the right and correct information.
I think it's interesting that you used subtitles rather than say, oh, I made a mistake verbally. You know what I mean? So you use subtitles. That's good for foreign people, because then they can read and hear. Because
I upload my session not just for the Arabian people, for all over the world. I want to reach.
Okay, what made you start this in the first place? YouTube, Cambly,
Actually, I post my first video on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I saw many interactions, likes, sharing my videos. That's encouraged me to do more videos. And after 4 or 10 videos, I'm always go back to my first video, and I saw my progress. How is it going?
Good for you. Good.
Yeah. That's motivates me and encourage me to do more and more.
And you could see how you'd grown, how much you grew.
Some tutors asked me about, did you got benefit from Cambly? So I send them the first video of mine.
Yes.
And I send them the last video.
Yes.
And they can recognize the progress.
Yes, I think that's fantastic. Do you know, many Cambly students, and I really do understand why, they feel scared to see themselves on video, so they don't see how much they have progressed. And I always think it's a bit
for me,
sad.
I think this method, it's going good with me, because not for posting the videos, but also the comments help me with my progress, because some people comments me, correct me, and I'm very happy with these corrections.
So foreigners are correcting you, or English-speaking people?
Some of them foreign people, some of them not native English speakers.
Sorry, I'm laughing because social media for me is very interesting and very funny. A lot of
very
time.
Good.
Oh, time is up. Oh, it's been such a pleasure.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to me as well.
Good luck. I hope we can see each other again.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
you. You too.
Bye bye.